You piece of fucking shit. Are you fucking serious?
What?
It's all just sports. How?
Ooh, that was
direct
badass.
hit.
Did you not see me roll underneath?
Oh, you little shit. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Fuck.
Oh, yes. No, you leave me be! You leave me be! You can charge your attacks? How?
I didn't know we could. Damn it.
Fuck you.
Dude, I don't understand the hitboxes sometimes. Dude, there's a fucking penguin dude back there.
Get off my game. You just chase me. What kind of...
Oh my god, what was that? What was that? Why am I going towards my own goal? Bro, my dude's retarded. Oh my god.
Bro!
Oh my god, there's no way I fucking missed that. Oh my god.
Go, 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 go.
I hate this game, bro!
Bro, why is it
God.
rolling to the side? This reminds me of Little Big Planet music. Have you ever played that game series?
No, I didn't. You got me fucking... Get up! Oh my god. Right. What?
Oh! Get up, get up, get up, get up. I will not tolerate this shit. Yeah, yeah, run the fuck away. Get the fuck out of here!
Oh my god, how does that miss both you and the fucking... Bro. This game's racist against gorillas, bro. Oh my god, bro.
No, get up.
Bro, get...
Oh! Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Bro, why is it going that way? Did you see me dead on punch it forward and it's like, ah, to
yeah,
the
that's
left.
what's pissing me off too. It goes in the stupidest directions.
Well, you missed somehow.
Somehow. Get up!
Oh!
Oh my god, go!
Get out of here. You're pissing me off so fucking bad.
Oh my god! Oh, come on, you weren't even knocked out. Oh my god, what? Okay. Just give me 8 to 10 business days while I fucking wake up, dude.
Dude, why?
What? How does that not
Okay.
knock you out?
This game, I don't like soccer. I only like hockey. Hockey is the only one that
Hockey
makes
is
sense.
fun, but yeah, this is fucking stupid. Also, how the fuck did that one not knock you out? That's all I want to know.
Oh!
Oh, but that one does.
It's fine.
Hit the ball! Oh my god.
You missed. Later, Stinky.
Later, Stinky.
Oh,
God.
right. Oh. End this sport. End this sport. I hate this game. This is the end of the episode. Like and
No,
fucking
I think-
subscribe.